In this guide, I'll show you how to connect your PS4 to your Samsung phone hotspot. So the first thing you want to do is go onto your phone and swipe down in the top right corner. Now once you're here, tap on this little line that's in the box at the top, and you want to ensure mobile data is turned on, and then press and hold on mobile hotspot. So once you're here, we're going to toggle this feature on at the top, and then if you scroll down, you'll see your network name and password. You can easily change this here by tapping on it. And then you want to toggle on Prioritize Real-Time Traffic at the bottom. So once you've done that, go back to your PS4, and we're going to navigate up and over and go to Settings. Now in Settings, select Network Settings, and then go to Set up Internet Connection, Use Wi-Fi, and select Easy. Now after a couple of seconds, you should see your phone mobile hotspot appear, and if you don't see it appear, what we're going to do is press the Options button on your controller, and then you want to go ahead and select Wi-Fi frequency bands and make sure it's on automatic. Now, once you see the network name, you can select it and input the password for the mobile hotspot you have on your phone, and then you can test the internet connection afterwards. This guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.